Good morning. I'm Jim McCraw. I've been an applications engineer here at Hainbuch America for about eight or 9 years. I'm currently the applications engineering manager. I oversee all the special applications that come in through the North American market, and we try to get people pointed in the right direction.
Hello, I'm Tim Wachs, President and CEO of Hainbuch America. I'm located here in Germantown, Wisconsin, which is our USA headquarters for Hainbuch. We are a subsidiary of Hainbuch Germany. We specialize in work holding and work holding solutions. We are the inventor of many work holding products, including the clamping head and quick change collet chucks. But here in Wisconsin, we stock product. We have engineering, design engineering, we have service, and all of our product comes from Germany to us and from here to our customers here in the United States of America. At Hainbuch, we are innovators. Hainbuch has been in the work holding business their whole lives. We started in the work holding business. That's what we do today. That is our only focus. We focus on quick change and accuracy and rigidity of holding a part. Every day we think about these things. How can we make it better? How can we improve on a process? How can we take something that we invented in 1977 and make it better for today's standard? Hainbuch is innovators in the work holding industry. We will continue to be, and we are leaders in work holding.
Hainbuch's got a very strong reputation to build a quality, well-engineered product based primarily out of Germany, which is where our big group of engineers are. We have a smaller group here in the United States, but it's constant communication. They give us support. They give us trust in what we're doing. If we happen to need a second opinion, if we are just curious if this is the best solution, we bounce it off them before we overdevelop it so that everybody's on board with the right direction that we're traveling.
Hainbuch works with many large companies throughout the world. It's amazing when I think about products as I was driving to work this morning, think about things that I use on a daily basis, that Hainbuch has a part in that. Whether we're making automobiles, satellites in space, defense for our country, even as far as plastic bottles that we drink out of. Hainbuch has a part of that. We hold parts to be machined and many, many different applications that we use on a regular basis every single day. One of the things that we see with Hainbuch a lot, we are known in the industry as very technical and very high accuracy and rigidity. So we get customers come to us from throughout the world looking to solve some of their work holding problems. The thing that sets us apart is we have such good engineers and good applications engineers that we really, before we even look at standard product or when it's a customer's problem, we dig deep into what is the problem, what have they done in the past, what's not working, and with our applications engineers and our engineering team, we look at it thoroughly and give a very good concept of how this part can be held in a better way to produce a better part. I think that really sets us apart from a lot of our competition because of the knowledge we have of work holding and the many different applications we can put to hold that part.
There's certain industries that we deal a lot with and have very similar problems or challenges. Some people are making the same type of part, the same type of geometry to the part. Some different segments utilize more specific troublesome materials that they base their part off of. The aerospace industry is very, very much known for that. The surgical implant industry also is very noted for that. There's some specific issues that each one of those segments has. Again, with the surgical implant, it's all about contamination of the product, so your body doesn't reject it. It's, in aerospace, there could be zero defect of this part. And it doesn't really matter how much this solution costs, it better do it exactly how we want it.
At the end of the day, with Hainbuch products, we want our customers to feel that they bought the best solution on the market. We know that our products are superior to other products. We know that. But it makes us smile when sometimes there's bumps in the roads getting to the end. We all have them, especially when you're working on a brand new project, brand new part numbers, things that have been unknown. But the thing that is that at the end of the day, when the customer has this on their floor and it's producing these parts at such high quality levels and they smile, that's what makes it all worthwhile. And when a customer smiles, it makes us smile.